Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Tirelo posted a video of herself in partnership with a certain car brand. Now, she did not name the car brand as yet because she wants people to guess, and whoever gets to guess the name of the car brand gets to go on a road trip with her. Now, in the video, the video she posted, she captioned it, "The hunt begins. Power in its rule. Elegance in its stride. Stay alert, it's closer than you think. The wait is over." Guys, it looks like a Range Rover. I am not sure because really I don't know cars. Now, a lot of the content creators and influencers were in our comment section congratulating her because, guys, this is a big deal. Not only do these brands pay you for associating yourself and your face with their brand, but you get a car to drive around, guys. And if really it is a Range Rover, guys, do you know how much of a big deal that is? And I guess that's why the other content creators and influencers are so heavy with the congratulations in the comment section because, like, it's a big thing. Now, one thing about me, I will always be happy for anyone who gets to monetize their platform because, I mean, already in Dabazako, zaziwa umzansi wonke, you have so many followers. I mean, why wouldn't you want to use that as an opportunity to make money? So I am glad, guys, which, you know what, Tirelo is finally, putting herself out there and, bagging these brand deals. Anyway, congratulations, Mama. Congratulations, Tirelo. We will be following the journey with you, and we really do hope that you get to enjoy this car. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.